Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital TV. If it's your first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching us. Today we are going to learn how HTML forms, grouping and grouping using fieldset and legend. So let's continue. How to put comment in to inside the space of comment. So when you're going to make comment, use tagline tag which called the text area. This command allows you to generate text box on your form for user input, not just line of wrapping text. Basic command for this. The tag opening tag of text area is text area. Can set the name. Your comment will be in the database, but we are not seeing that. But the tag is text area. Then this is how to close it. You know how to close this slash. We can edit this by adding more attribute within tag. Columns row can be described. Also, text added between two in the starting and ending text area tag appear within text box. This text is formatted exactly as type of including tab, spacing, and returns. For example, please add any comment you may have about this form. Class here. Text area, comments. We set the attribute low of 9 and 14 4 pixel. So we are going to see this example in practice. For use that example I've seen, let's do it yourself. Text area, which is so you see the comment. This is box of comment. You can write the comment. So as I've seen, we can add attribute that called placeholder. Please enter comment here. So we have seen how to make the box of comment where the user will leave with the comment. So you can set those let's set to 5 to 6. See the low columns. And beef like 40. See, please enter comment there, and we can here we can write the button called send to send the comment. So let's see that the example we have seen in explanation. Let's add it. So you see see the text line, rows and columns. Here we can set the comment. This is comment that people will see. This here, see how you can clear it. For here you can set the instruction for people who are coming to write the comment. It can be motivation letter that they write. So you set the instruction. So this is how to input comment in. Here we are going to see how to group elements using a field set. HTML element called the field set. This is the open tag of field set and the close tag. This element used as container to enclose control, and optionally a legend element. It has no attribute beyond universe 1 for style sheet, language, and so forth. To group it using a field set. Field set. When you are going to do it, this is open and this is close field set, but it is not closed here. Here we put legend tag. Legend tags. Legend tag. And this legend is not closed by here. Seeing this, we are going to group it using field set. The field set, use tag field set. The field set is not closed by here. Use legend. This and here we can write the name of the group. Let's edit basic information. Basic info. This is the name of our group. Let's end it after search. Here we are going to close field set. So now you see the result. The group name is called basic info, and they call it the username, password, emails, color, dates, and such. I'm going to do another group like that one. So open field set as you have seen. Then write legend. Write a group name. Let's call it body. And I think will be good after first comment. First comment, it is ended by here. So we have to close the field set, and you see the second grouping. So the last one, let's call it conclusion. Use fieldset. Then legend call the conclusion. I think you have now already how you can do website by grouping. Close field set. So as you see, we have already groupings. This look. Now we are going to see how to make a list box and where people will come to choose based on their choice. Let's use this field region for basic 4 because it is short. Let's start. So we are starting there, here. So we have to make select and make it that, and this is another cross tag of select. This tag select and they are cross. So the option we need, let's take option. First option, let's call it PHP. The second option, let's call it, see the selector here. Let's use it like a JSP, Java server page. See the choice made here. The choice is JSP. Can add another option. To add another option, you see, you open option, then you write your option like server rate. So you see, can use what you want. So let's back and write what they are going to choice. So you see, host can host either PHP, JSP, and servlet. Servlet. Okay. Yes. This is select drop down where user can input, can choose the choice they want. Another list box can use, but we use it where is useful when you have a long list. So make a brick as you see the brick, then select as we are going to select, use multiple, which means that there are a long list. So option this value we considered in back end. So this select can we make it east. So the option here can select the option which called HTML as a web developer and make another option. This is the first option. You see the list of books how can come. Can put millions list. People can come and choose there. Can write option. Another option, let's call it unit hub. Unit hub. So see if it is long, can click here to up and click here to down. This is a good for the user and can choose. So alright, that's all up on HTML forms and grouping. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the CSS style session coming up next. Drop comment if you have any question. I will catch you in the next tutorial. Peace and love.